Hi, I'm Alexis.
And I'm Kymber,
And we're the Naven Twins. And we're the founders of KOA LIFE. KOA LIFE is natural skincare made for women, by women, and we are paving the way in the conscious beauty movement. We have used botanical science to make doctor-formulated skincare that is clean and natural, and it's supercharged by plants to restore the health of women's skin. Our formulas are nutrient dense. They really target women's most frustrating skin issues like acne, dry, dull skin, hyperpigmentation, anti-aging, and we do it all naturally, so you can really ditch the chemicals and go green. We actually started KOA LIFE because we wanted to cure our own skin issues naturally, and we saw every doctor and they all said there's no way that you can cure your skin issues with natural products. We just didn't want to believe that, so we took matters into our own hands and we developed a daily skincare routine that's all natural called KOA LIFE. Not only are we helping you on your journey to perfect skin, a portion of KOA LIFE proceeds go towards helping teen girls that are really in need through our partnership with the Girl Fund. We're on a mission to empower females globally, and we would love for you guys to join the conscious beauty movement.